So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get any OG username inside of Fortnite. So the first thing that you need to do is open up the Epic Games website and log into your Fortnite account. Once you're logged in, you need to click on your profile and click on account. And now under account information, you can edit your display name. So do keep in mind that you can only do this every 2 weeks. Now what you need to do is head to the link in the description and simply download this notepad file which contains the special character. So on the website itself, this is not going to be visible, which is why I would recommend that you download this file. And now inside of the notepad, what you need to do is simply right click and click on select all, and now copy this character. Now simply head back to the Epic Games website, and now to use this character, what you need to do is place this between every single character of your username. So for example, if I need to set the username as Creed, I'm going to type C, paste this character, write R, paste this character, and do the same for every single character until D. Now make sure that you don't use this character at the start and at the absolute end of your username, because that will cause the entire name to glitch and then your character won't be invisible. Again, do keep in mind that you should not paste this character at the start and at the end of your username. You can paste this as many times as you want between the characters, but not at the start or the end. So once you have set your display name, you need to simply click on this box and then click on continue. Now your username will get updated. So if you refresh the page, your username has been updated right here. But on the website, your name will appear with the special characters. But now if we head into the Epic Games launcher and open up Fortnite, inside of Fortnite, if you have a look at my username, there are no unnecessary spaces between the characters or at the start and the end of the name, and it looks really clean. Even inside of the game chat, if I type anything, it looks clean. As you can see, there are no unnecessary spaces anywhere inside of the username. So with that being said, that is going to be it for this video. If it helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one. If you're facing issues with your ping or with the performance of your computer, you can check out my optimization services in the description of this video. And if you'd like to support me inside of Epic Games or inside of the Fortnite item shop, you can use code 72Creed. That is all for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.